Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing this shipment that I purchased on eBay.com, the US version of eBay, but it was purchased from a seller in Hong Kong. It reached me, I believe, in about 10 days, 12 days, pretty quick, especially compared to the previous order that I had with DHL from Europe. But let's open this up and see what we have inside. So this is a Marklin model actually, which is not suitable for my railroad as it stands right now. It's going to require some modifications, but it was a good price, and I kind of want the wagons that it comes with to go along with the cranes that I got a couple of weeks ago, which are not Dutch railroad, even though they are the same type, but they are not marked as such. So I'm hoping to put it together with this Strukton set and thereby make it look more Dutch. So the box has quite a bit of warping to it, and I assume that's either from being a display or just from age. Nothing damaged about it, just showing its age. And then inside we have the locomotive, we have a bulldozer, we have 3 flat cars, a construction container office, and we have what looks like a Mercedes-Benz van up there. So from what I've read, this locomotive was actually made by Fleischmann for Marklin. I'm not sure if that means that these wheels are insulated or not, but that's something I would obviously have to overcome if I want to convert it. Then we have the van in the Strukton colors. And the container as well, and an accompanying bulldozer. And we have 3 flat cars with short couplings, and that ties it all together. So after I lost out twice on the last few weeks on Katawiki to buy the NS version, which is brown, of this Lilliput crane, I bought the German version of it for less than 1/3 of the price, and I'm going to just put that together with the Strukton stuff, and let's just assume that they leased it from the German company for a time being for usage in the Netherlands. So probably have to switch out the axles or insulate them. This I do not yet know what I'll be doing with, but I don't expect to see that running on my DC layout anytime soon. But anyway, good condition, good price. The box is a bit beaten up, but that's of no consequence. So overall, I'm happy with it. And shipping from Hong Kong was really quick, so nothing to complain about here. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and until next time, goodbye.